The Titan S is the first in the lineup and has a broad assortment of standard features, including a 400 horsepower V8 engine, Safety Shield 360, and Apple CarPlay. Titan S is available with 4-wheel drive and both Crew Cab and King Cab configurations. Titan S is available in 5 exterior colors. The Titan S King Cab comes equipped with 18-inch styled steel wheels, along with a black grille and black bumpers. The extra wide opening rear doors and 6.5-foot bed will help you handle cargo with ease. The S Crew Cab adds full-size rear doors and has a bed length of 5.5 feet. All the essential comfort and style features are standard on Titan S. The interior comes in charcoal cloth with stain-resistant bolsters. It has a 40-20-40 split bench front seat layout with a 60-40 layout in the rear, and vinyl flooring for easy cleanup. Keyless access and push-button start come standard, along with cruise control. Forgot something in the back? Titan can help remind you. In terms of tech, Titan S has a lot to like. You'll have essential driving info in your line of sight, and there's an 8-inch wide touchscreen display in the center to your right. Apple CarPlay integration and Android Auto come standard, as do USB ports and Bluetooth. It's not easy to find a truck with this much standard driver assistance technology, which can warn you of danger ahead and can also step in to help you avoid colliding with pedestrians. Titan can also help you stay in your lane and let you know if a vehicle is detected in your blind spot. There's tech that can help you avoid colliding with other vehicles and detected stationary objects when backing up. It can turn on your high beams when you need them and turn them off when you don't. Titan S can detect if drivers might be getting drowsy and alert them with a chime and a reminder to take a break. There's even tech that can help you get started on a steep hill, and tech that can help control trailer sway when towing. For more versatility and toughness, you can add the utility package.